Hello everyone, this is the unboxing of our test kit from Great Plains Laboratory Incorporated in the United States of America. For everyone who has a chronic disease, managing a condition, the first route to healing is a medical test. Medical test is like a map to your health. When you get tested, you know exactly what to treat. You cannot follow the treatment of Mr. A because you don't share the same physiology with Mr. A. So these are the kits. This arrived to Brain Foods. This is the packing slip. We have the urine kits and we have the IgG map. Autism panel kits. The autism panel kits usually comes in two sets. One for blood, the other for feces and urine. So this is urine kit alone. In here, let us see what we have. We have the shipping slip and the requisition form where you put all information regarding yourself or whoever is doing the test. And we have the shipping kit, which is where we would put it back, and yeah, you can see this laboratory pack. The custom, we see it already. You don't need to go through extensive labeling. This is from UPS. This is for the urine collection. This is an ice bricks for preservation of the specimen. These are for packing of the specimen. This is to absorb any leakages. And this is also for packing the specimen for preservation. That is the urine kit. We conduct the test by shipping this to the patient, and we have dedicated laboratories that we use for collection of specimen, and the courier company will go direct to the laboratory to pick the specimen preserved as it should be and return them to the laboratory in the United States of America. They will conduct the test and send us the results for interpretation and use. So this is one part of the autism panel. This is for urine and stool, and this is for dried blood spots. We use this hair, dried blood spots, serum. We use them for heavy metal toxicity test. We use them for cholesterol profile, omega-3 complex test. This one, the urine and stool, are for organic acid test, GPL tox profile, glyphosate test, and comprehensive stool analysis. All of these come together under the autism panel test. You can see with this urine also, you can have GPL tox profile, glyphosate test, organic acid test, and microbial organic acid test. These are the tests you can do with only urine. So these are the kits as they have arrived. We are waiting for you to reach out to us and indicate your interest. All of these are already sorted out for you, so you can be here and have your tests done by reliable, competent laboratories in the United States for all your chronic conditions, autism and the related conditions. With this, you can do the IgG food map with candida and yeast, vitamin D test, DNA methylation profile, omega-3 index complete, and other tests. So this particular one is marked for IgG food map, candida and yeast. For children on the autism spectrum, candida and yeast can be very disturbing. It comes with a lot of behavioral issues. So reach out to Brain Foods on 081-291-84050. If you are outside Nigeria, do not forget to add +234 to the number. We are waiting to assist you in having your medical test done in order to start your health journey on the right note. Thank you, as we expect your call.